Hello everyone and welcome to the another video of mainframe. In previous video we have already discussed about non-VSAM dataset. In this video we will see about VSAM dataset. VSAM, which stands for Virtual Storage Access Method. It is file management system that is widely used in mainframe applications. In this video we will cover the basics of VSAM dataset, their types, key concepts, benefits, access methods, and in which programming languages we use. Overview. Let's start with overview of VSAM dataset. In simple term, we see a VSAM dataset is a collection of data records stored on disk or tape, organized and managed by the VSAM file management system. VSAM datasets are different from other types of datasets such as sequential and partition dataset, which we have already discussed in previous video. VSAM provide high performance access to data in well data sharing across multiple applications and offer advanced data retrieval capabilities. Types of VSAM datasets. Now let's look at the different types of VSAM datasets. There are three main types of VSAM dataset: KSDS, key sequence dataset; ESDS, entity sequence dataset; and RRDS, relative record dataset. But I have mentioned here two more VSAM datasets, that are VRDS, variable length relative record dataset; LDS, linear dataset. It is rarely used in mainframe, especially if we talk about LDS. It is mainly used in DB2. But we are discussing types of VSAM dataset, so I mentioned here these two also, that you will know, as this is also the types of VSAM dataset. VSAM features and benefits. Now let's talk about the features and benefits of using VSAM dataset. One of the main benefits of VSAM is improved performance, especially when we compare to another file management system. VSAM also provides easier data access and sharing across multiple applications, as well as advanced data retrieval capabilities. And access method. VSAM dataset can be accessed using three different methods: sequential, random, and dynamic. Sequential access method is used when data is accessed in the order in which it is stored. Random access is used when data is accessed by key fields or record numbers, and dynamic access is combination of sequential and random access method, and it is used when both type of access are needed. Programming languages. The programming languages used to access VSAM datasets include COBOL, Assembler, and PL1. Later we will use COBOL programming language when we will create VSAM dataset in mainframe. These are the primary languages used in mainframe programming. Each language has its own syntax for accessing VSAM dataset, but the basic concepts are the same. Now let's see different types of VSAM datasets and their access method. First one is KSDS. A KSDS is a VSAM dataset where records are accessed based on primary key field. KSDS access method include direct, that means using a search key; sequential, that means accessing record in key field; and dynamic, that means combining sequential and direct access method. Second one is ESDS. ESDS access method include sequential, that means accessing record in the order they were added, and also dynamic, that means combining sequential and direct access method. Third one is RRDS. RRDS access method include direct, using RRN, and also dynamic, combining sequential and direct access method. Key concept. Now we see the key concept. To understand how data is stored and accessed in VSAM dataset, it is important to know about key fields, alternative index, control interval, and control areas. But in this video I am not going to cover these things because it is practical things. We will see these things later when we will create different types of VSAM dataset in mainframe. So this is the end of this video. Hope so it will be helpful for you to understand these things. If you have doubts regarding this, you can comment below. Also I have mentioned all the social handles in the description of this video. You can text there also, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon to stay up to date with my latest video. See you in the next video.